Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Travel Tips. Today we are going to talk about one essential thing that we all need when we travel. That is the charger. You may ask, what's an important tip about the charger that we'll cover on this episode? So let's dive in. As we continue making advancements in technology, one thing that has really caught on is the increasing use of USB-C ports instead of the traditional big rectangular USB-A ports. This has meant that even the phone that you buy nowadays comes with a USB-C cable instead of the big USB-A cable, which gives us a feel that the old USB-A ports won't be in use much longer. Well, that is where I want to stop you and give you this travel tip. So welcome to 5 Minute Travel Tips by Veena World. I'm Neil Patil. Yes, the world is shifting to USB-C, and of course that has many advantages. There's of course its compact size, there's faster charging, it has this all new amazing reversible design, its versatility because it is used in a wide range of devices. Overall, USB-C is generally considered to be a superior connector due to its smaller size, reversible design, faster data speeds, and many more other reasons. Now here is where today's travel tip comes in handy. Let me tell you, USB-A or the big ports are still widely used and they are likely to be around for a while longer. So I'll tell you what happened to me. I got all excited and bought all of these USB-C adapters for my phone, laptop and my iPad. And I really decided to ditch my old rectangular USB-A adapters for two of my trips. The first trip was a 21-day trip across France and Spain. The other one was a 9-day trip in the European summer to Finland. And as you must have guessed, I had a super difficult time as I soon realized that flights, most of them still use the old USB port widely. So nowadays, in-flight entertainment systems are becoming more and more common that offer streaming services and USB charging ports to the passengers, where you can charge your device while watching your favorite movies and shows. Imagine all of the passengers around me were smartly charging their phones using the USB ports. But because I left all of my old cables at home, I was just like a sitting duck. In recent years, many new planes have built-in USB-C ports, but some older planes may still have USB-A ports. Similarly, take cars and buses which have charging ports. These two mostly are the old USB ports. Then hotels. Hotels too have charging jacks in the switchboard. These two are the old USB ports. I'm sure you get the point. Yes, you can take USB-C products with you when you're traveling. USB-C is super popular and widely used, so you should be able to use your USB-C devices in most places around the world. However, it is always a good idea to check if the devices you're planning to bring are compatible with the power outlets and the voltages in the countries that you will be visiting. And my tip then is this. For a year at least, carry both cables because we find ourselves in a transitionary phase right now. Let's give hotels, cars, airlines some time before we move to this standard. But until then, you still need to charge your phone. You still need to upload those photos. So carry your old USB wire too along with your new one. So to sum up, while traveling, it's always a good idea to bring a USB-C charging cable as well as the old USB-A charging cable. This way, you'll be able to charge all of your devices regardless of what type of charging ports are available in your hotel or the airplane. USB-C is increasingly common and many newer devices such as smartphones, laptops, tablets and portable chargers use this standard. So it is a good idea to also have a universal travel adapter that can be plugged in with your charging cable into different wall sockets. This will always allow you to charge your devices in the country that you visit. So that's my 5-minute travel tip. Use your USB-C devices, but also make sure that you still carry your old USB wires because you don't want to be left behind with a device that has zero battery. Who will click all the photos then? So that's it on 5-minute travel tips today. Thank you for listening. This is Neil signing off. See you the next time. Bye-bye.